A single rice grain may look simple, but inside it is mostly starch. When rice cooks, these starch structures are what change the most. The first major change is water absorption. The rice begins taking moisture into its starch.
Heat and water make the starch swell and gelatinize, giving cooked rice its...
Ghee mainly coats the rice and carries rich flavor and aroma through the dish. In biryani, the rice also absorbs flavorful cooking liquid as it cooks. The result is a grain that is hydrated, tender, and infused with the surrounding flavors.
Now become a soft, expanded piece of cooked rice. So every spoonful of biryani is the result of water, heat, starch, and flavor coming together.